up, guys? I'm here with my boy Tino. How you doing, bro?
Good.
All good?
Yeah.
Man, this is like by far the freshest and the sickest barber in all of Canada, bro. Forget about GP, man. Can you second that for me, man?
100%.
Absolutely, man. So, bro, so as I told you, I'm just doing this video so we can give persons who are back home an idea of what it is like being an immigrant in Canada and stuff. So, what do you have to say?
Man, it's a good opportunity. If you want to stick to it, work it out, it's definitely worth it. If you're
Definitely
willing
worth
to
it.
just hustle and
So, Bello Styles Barbershop, bro. This is by far the #1 barbershop in GP, bro. Tell me about the journey.
it was a long one. Came out here first to work on the drilling rigs. This is an oil town.
Oh, man.
Yeah, I did that for about a year and a half. Brought one of my buddies, Trinidadian, and we actually ended up on our days off cutting at a barbershop. And we ended up getting kicked out.
Oh, man.
The lady said that I was stealing her clients, that she didn't feel like it was her barbershop anymore. She felt that I was taking her clients and I was making her shop my shop and that I didn't respect her boundaries. So she said that it's time for me to go and get my own shop.
Oh, that's crazy, bro.
Yeah, it is.
Where are you from, though?
I was born in Canada, but background is a Dominican and El Salvador mix.
Is that Dominican Republic or Dominican? Because
No,
there's
no,
like...
Dominican Republic.
Oh, okay, man.
Yeah.
So that means you're both... Oh, yeah, definitely, bro. What are you doing over there, man? You're in tip as well, bro. Feel free to chip in every now and again, man. How's your journey been?
Yeah.
Has it been like a good journey for you?
Sorry?
How has your journey been in terms of like an immigrant in Canada?
¿Cómo te fue? ¿Cómo te
Oh
gustó en
yeah,
Canadá?
really good, really good. I feel really good, It's good to work here, to make money, just relax. I'm happy to be here.
Oh, and again, bros, these are by far the sickest barbers, bro. Let me just put that in again, man. Like, I wish you could see my cut right now. That oh my God, man. They're superior to any, man. I'll tell you that much. So Bello Styles Barbershop, bro, Grand Prairie, Canada. Definitely need to check it out, man. So again, Tino. Did I get it right?
Yeah.
Yeah, my Spanish ain't that good, bro. I probably can say uno, dos, tres, but...
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Vamos a darle para allá con todos los poderes de Superman.
Man, I have no idea what he just said, bro.
Ahí le contó para allá.
Ay, dale con todo, vamos a
And
darle
he's
para
just
allá.
gonna continue this shit, but it's okay. It's all good. It's all good, man. It's all good. So, in terms of starting a business in Canada, any advice?
Yes. You should. It took me a while, and I took some serious learning because people come out here and what they want to do is avoid taxes. They want to avoid reporting and not knowing the benefits of doing all of that.
Okay.
So they try to cheap out, and they end up getting burnt by it.
Yeah.
I honestly strongly suggest to actually consider taking time, understanding accounting, bookkeeping, taxes, how taxes work, because you can get burned. It's a system made for you to basically fail because they profit off of your mistakes. So
right.
all of these mistakes that you be doing, they profit off of it. All of these taxes, and there's so many different kinds of business taxes that you should take the time and learn it and understand it. Learn that kind of language, that terminologies, so that when the government comes after you, you know exactly what they're talking about. Don't be all confused because they like to sound they use all these terminologies you never heard of.
Never heard of.
Exactly, and that's what they get you.
See, guys, that's advice that you can't pay for right there, man.
I'm telling you.
So, guys, I want to thank you so much, man, for, just definitely doing this video. Definitely. Guys, definitely check out Bello Styles if you're here in Grand Prairie. One last question, though, bro, and I've got to ask this question, man, is what do you know about Jamaica?
Jamaica, Wagwan. Why you deal with?
Yo!
Scene.
What about you, bro?
Wow, my God.
They're the brother.
Okay, man.
Okay, bro.
Thank you guys for checking it out, man. Thank you guys
sure,
for
man. Anytime,
being good
man.
sports.